Air leaks are one of the most common reasons homes feel uncomfortable or inefficient. Even small gaps around windows can allow outdoor air to move freely inside, making rooms feel drafty and uneven. For homeowners in Rowlett, casement windows offer an effective solution for reducing air leaks and improving overall comfort. Their unique design creates a tighter seal than many other window styles, helping homes stay more comfortable throughout the year. Understanding where air leaks come from. Air leaks typically occur when windows no longer fit tightly within their frames. Over time, materials can shift, seals can wear down, and small gaps can develop around the window. In Rowlett houses, these gaps allow air to enter or escape, affecting indoor comfort. Even when windows appear closed, worn seals or misalignment can create invisible pathways for air movement. How casement windows create a tight seal. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a compression seal. This design differs from sliding or double-hung windows, which rely more on sliding tracks. In Rowlett homes, the compression seal of casement windows helps block air movement more effectively, reducing drafts and unwanted airflow. Blocking drafts at the window frame. One of the most noticeable benefits of casement windows is how well they block drafts. Because the window closes tightly against the frame, there are fewer opportunities for air to slip through. Rowlett homeowners often notice improved comfort near casement windows, even during temperature changes. Rooms feel more consistent and less affected by outside air. Supporting stable indoor temperatures. Air leaks can cause indoor temperatures to fluctuate, making it harder to maintain a comfortable environment. Casement windows help stabilize indoor temperatures by limiting air infiltration. In Rowlett houses, this improved sealing helps keep indoor air where it belongs. As a result, living spaces feel more balanced and comfortable throughout the day. Improving comfort in high-use areas. Casement windows work especially well in rooms where comfort matters most, such as bedrooms, living rooms, and kitchens. These spaces benefit from reduced drafts and better insulation. Rowlett homeowners appreciate that casement windows help eliminate cold or warm spots near window areas, making rooms more usable and enjoyable. Reducing outside noise along with air leaks. Air leaks often allow sound to pass through as well. Casement windows help reduce noise by creating a tighter barrier between indoors and outdoors. For Rowlett homes, this added benefit enhances indoor comfort by making spaces quieter while also improving insulation. Reliable performance over time. Casement windows are designed with durable hardware that helps maintain their seal over time. With proper installation and basic maintenance, they continue to close tightly year after year. Rowlett homeowners value this long-term reliability, knowing their windows will continue to reduce air leaks without constant adjustments. Encouraging energy-conscious comfort. Reducing air leaks supports a more comfortable home environment. Casement windows help limit unwanted air movement, allowing indoor systems to operate more efficiently. In Rowlett houses, this results in consistent comfort without constant temperature adjustments or drafty areas. A practical choice for airtight comfort. Casement windows offer a simple yet effective way to reduce air leaks and improve indoor comfort. Their compression seal design sets them apart from other window styles. For homeowners in Rowlett, choosing casement windows is a practical step toward a more comfortable, draft-free home, where indoor spaces feel stable, quiet, and enjoyable every day.